Hello, and welcome to the next installment of True North Gear's product information and educational web series. My name is Dean Seeger, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to be talking about our CH210 saw pack. This is one of only 2 or 3 options for sawyers in the Wildland world. We're pretty proud of this design. It carries the load incredibly comfortably and well, so you can walk long distances carrying your saw, along with things like your felling axe, your wedges, bar oil, and fuel. To look at the features of the pack, we have a bucket style load, and you can see the handle of the saw coming out the bottom. One of the first things you're gonna do when you get your new pack is you're gonna wanna come down here to the bottom and get a hold of this cam buckle down here. You're gonna wanna close up the opening. It's gonna take a little bit of effort for you to get it all worked through. It's a very heavy duty design, and so it's gonna take a little bit of effort, a couple, 3 minutes to get it all scrunched up so that it will support the body, the power head of the saw, and the handle will come out through the bottom. Once you've done that, there is an additional adjustment here on the side with this webbing and ladder lock setup. You're going to want to cinch that up, and again, this is going to close down the top of the bag around the power head. So you've got a really secure base to mount the chainsaw into. Then you're going to unclip. This will be unclipped. You're going to bring this up over the top. This webbing again comes through the saw, helps hold the body in place, keeps it from wiggling around, falling over. You'll notice, and there is an adjustment for this on the back side of the saw, and that's going to be with this cam buckle down here. You're going to reef up on this. That's going to tighten up this triangular strap configuration here on the back of the pack. There's a block, a padded block, that's designed to keep the bar away from your head, so it's not going to come up and in the back of the head while you're hiking. So there's some leather patches designed here to cover up the teeth on the saw. And you can adjust this up and tighten it up. So again, it's going to be stable this way. It's not going to bounce back and forth. It's going to be stable side to side. You'll notice that there are a number of accessory pockets on this pack. So you've got fuel bottles, bar oil, and then you've got another pouch that you can put your wedges in. There's also designed to carry a felling axe, and there is a protected compartment here so that the sharp blade won't cut anything. Then it wraps around the head of the axe down here, holds it in place, and then it comes up the side and is secured with these tri-glides and webbing. You have your fire shelter case here on the side. This is going to hold either a standard or a large fire shelter. And we'll flip the pack around. And now you're going to see our padded hip belt. You're going to see our SCS style suspension and the shoulder harness. You have a leather pad on the shoulder, so if you're going to make a short walk to your next cut, you can just take your saw, throw it over your shoulder, take that short walk, and then go back to work. So you don't have to continually be taking the saw in and out of the pack itself. Normal adjustment. This is a great design. It's super durable. It's been very popular. We sell them to U.S. Forest Service, National Park, even to individuals who are maintaining mountain bike trails of all things to carry a saw in and do trail work. So there you have it, the CH210 chainsaw by True North Gear. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Go to our website, which is www.truenorthgear.com. So again, thank you for your time and have a good day.